Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So today we're changing a radiator cap on our INFINITI G37S Coupe. Let's go ahead and pop the hood, unlock the door. Down here we have the hood release. Go back to our hood. And this should only take a few minutes. Pop the hood rigger. So there's a safety catch right above here. This. Go ahead and open this. Hopefully it's the same. So I found this on Amazon. There's the part number. Looks a little different, but it says it should fit most Infinitis and Nissans. Should be similar to our cap. All right. So go ahead and just twist this left. Take this new cap. All right, that's it. Go ahead and start up the car and make sure there's no more leaks. Let me know if you have any questions.